How to fix LinkedIn login problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnar, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix LinkedIn login problem or sign in error. Well, if you're having error with the sign in, then first you want to go ahead and try if you are connected to a stronger internet connection. If you are having network issues, you might face the sign in error as well. However, if it's not the case, then you might want to check that you have updated the latest version. Either ways, if none of these are the issue, then you want to go ahead and clear the cache of your data. So you want to simply tap on settings with the gear icon at the top right once you scroll that notification bar, and then head into settings. From it, you want to head into apps. Under apps, you can simply search in for LinkedIn, and once you open the LinkedIn app, you want to scroll down, head into stories, and here you want to first go ahead and try the clear cache option and then try it. If not, then you want to tap on clear data and then go ahead and try it again once you relaunch the application. So this is how you can fix the LinkedIn login problem. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.